Finally then, an opportunity to maiden fly the Eagle. This is the best flying day we've had since Christmas, which is 3 months. I'm going to get my friend and colleague Steve to help me with the maiden flight, make sure I've got everything sorted on the centre of gravity, just in front of the spar here. Let's see how we get on.
That's better. But I mean, as it is, half throttle, hands off,
Yeah.
hands off. It's going to get buffeted very easily.
Yeah, it's a big wing, isn't it?
It's a big wing, right? So once it starts to turn one way or the other, we'll give it a bit of correction. Now that's full right, and it takes a couple of seconds before it reacts. It doesn't react immediately. But I mean, throttle off.
Yeah, it's quite.
It's coming down. It's quite sedate.
Yeah. We could probably do with ailerons then.
And with the weight on the nose, it should stop it from rising so quickly.
Okay.
And after that, if it's still pitching up, then it probably would just need a little shim behind the top of the motor.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, I've got a couple of washers. It's got some down and right.
Yeah.
Oops. Oh.
Is that a mid-air?
Folding wing. Oh, I thought we were going to have two eagles up there for a moment.
Has the bird broke its wing?
Get the RSPCA in.
Yeah.
What's the other lot? RSPB.
Did you forget to put the bone in its wing? Do you want it?
I could have a go. Yeah.
Do you want the strap?
I'm not worried about the strap.
Right. Half throttle, flying level.
Okay.
Okay. You don't need any more throttle though at the moment, because it'll just go up and then you have to counteract it all the time. How do you find that?
Docile at the moment.
if that's the way you want it. But when you bring it round, if you try throttling it up and going above half, you'll see what I mean about the climb. It's all right, isn't it?
Oh, I'm quite pleased with it.
Yeah, I would just put the battery a bit further forward and see what effect that has. It comes downwind fast, doesn't it?
Yeah. I mean,
It does all right, then.
It's never going to be a rocket ship.
I forgot you had your camera on, sorry.
You could run that one, Steve.
No, he's got it. Yeah, you should be landing this direction.
Yeah.
Although it's gone to the side wind now, so you can go either. When it pitches up and you start to use the control surfaces, it stalls.
Right.
It turns faster and it starts to stall. Whoa, bit of elevator. Are you happy to land it, or do you want me to hang around?
I think I'll get it down somehow, thank you. Interesting to see.
No worries.
She's doing.
No worries.
Thank you, Steve.
You're
Appreciate
welcome, my
it.
friend.
Excellent. Good job. There we have it then, the maiden flight of the Eagle. Very, very pleased with that, and many thanks to Steve for his valuable assistance. and trimming. We'll play around a little with the battery position, C of G, but overall, very, very pleased. Lovely day.